Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe is equipped with 9 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, slow cook, and yogurt functions are used with the pressure lid. Use the sear sauté without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients, just like on your stovetop. The air crisp, bake roast, broil, and dehydrate functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the temp button and turn the knob to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the time button and turn the knob to select your cooking time. Press the start-stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the air crisp function to tender crisp your food to perfection. Use the steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the slow cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. Use the yogurt function to easily create delicious yogurt. The air crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The bake roast function allows you to cook meals in the pot as you would with your oven. The broil function used with the Deluxe reversible rack finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started.
The Zojirushi Pressure Induction Heating Rice Cooker and Warmer is our top-of-the-line rice cooker that features unparalleled technology to deliver delicious rice with every use. Made in Japan, our flagship rice cooker is available in 2 sizes. Compared to a non-IH rice cooker, Zojirushi's superior IH technology optimally and consistently heats throughout the pot without overcooking and applies different levels of pressure, resulting in delicious and fluffy rice every time. Beyond IH, this rice cooker also features fuzzy logic technology with artificial intelligence, which adjusts the cooking cycle to get perfect results no matter the temperature of the water, the season you're cooking, or how long you've had the machine. The non-stick coating on the inner cooking pan is platinum infused, which alkalizes water and brings out the sweetness of rice. This machine has a variety of menu settings, including Zojirushi's exclusive umami, jasmine rice, healthy GABA brown rice, congee, and steel-cut oatmeal settings. Depending on the menu setting, the unit automatically selects from 3 pressure levels for the perfect texture for a variety of foods. The menu settings can be selected from an easy-to-read LCD control panel, which also features a clock and delay timer. Zojirushi's commitment to safe design is displayed throughout this device, as the rice cooker is equipped with multiple fail-safe measures to ensure safe pressure cooking, such as an inner lid filter, pressure control valve, pressure indicator on the control panel to ensure safe pressure cooking, and a large steam vent cap to prevent overflows while cooking. The detachable inner lid is made of stainless steel and is fully washable for easy cleaning. Accessories include a rice spatula, spatula holder, and 2 measuring cups. And as always, all surfaces that come into contact with food are BPA-free.